Kulo from Macsteel Malawi Limited. I would like to briefly talk about what is Macsteel. Macsteel Malawi Limited is a joint venture between Press Corporation. It has 50% shares with Macsteel Export South Africa. We were established in 1966. We exist in Malawi. We are all over Malawi. We have 14 outlets in the whole Malawi. So Macsteel is one of the huge manufacturers. They produce steel quality and manufactures steel wire products here in Malawi. Macsteel, we manufacture in our Kanengo premises and Limbi premises. We have factories in these two. But we supply according to the contract. We have huge contracts that need a lot of steel. So we supply in tons. We give examples of the works that we have done where we have supplied. Currently, we are supplying to Sino Hydro project of water supply, which is 6,500 tons, which is 6.5 million kgs of steel. We supply and deliver all that was packaged. Our products include the iron sheets. Most people know that at Macsteel we supply iron sheets in corrugated form, IPR form, heavy towels, Macsteel form. We supply these iron sheets based on what you want. So if your house, any design that you have for your house, we cut them according to the specifications. We supply steel section steel. This is the steel that nowadays we want the environment to be preserved. So we want to go away from timbers. So we are doing steel roofing. So we do supply this type of steel, which are called IPE sections. They are angle irons. They are plates, 3mm plates, 2mm plates, 1.6mm plates, square tubes, round tube. We supply all those that you can fabricate. The welders can fabricate. Type of iron sheets, the range of iron sheets that we store, and the type of steel that we store. We also produce the reinforced wire. We manufacture it in our linear premises and Kanengo premises. These are things that we manufacture right here in Malawi. The wire sections, the wire nails, they're produced and manufactured here in Malawi. We are trying to make use of our own resources that we have here in Malawi. So most of the products that we are manufacturing in Malawi, we are trying to make them as much as we can to be sustainable and environmental friendly. We produce the welded mesh in our Limbi premises, which are friendly, and the thickness and the kgs matter in our supply. We make sure we give out the right kgs and the right thickness of the items. The example is the A98 weld mesh and A100 mesh. Other suppliers will not tell you the thickness of the actual wire, but at Macsteel when you come, we're going to tell you that this is 4mm thickness and it's an A100. What is it used for? You can put it on as a welded mesh. You put it on the slab of the house. Not a heavy machinery building. A heavy machinery building, you need to put A142, which is 6mm thickness. We'll tell you the actual weight of the A142. An example, A142 weighs 322 kg. This helps the engineers, the architects, the quantity surveyors to make concrete decisions based on the weight and the right thickness due to the type of soil and type of erosion that building needs to be using. At Macsteel Malawi, we believe in quality. We breathe quality. We make sure you get the quality goods. We do this for benefit of Malawians. As you can see, the way the environment is changing. Look at the way Cyclone Freddy came in. It showed out how much the substandard steel that is around and even substandard materials that are being supplied, the impacts of them, how people are suffering this type of materials. Come to Macsteel, make a choice to come to Macsteel and inquire with the right specifications that they're going to give you. Our salespersons are ready to advise and give inputs of substitutions of the type of materials that you need to use. Our materials, before they are given out on the market, are measured and tested and seen according to the weather patterns that you have. We have the Mr. Tank that is just behind, the tank that you can get, a tank with a superior quality that you can get on the market. Our tank is UV protected. It withstands the weather conditions that you can get. We supply this tank and we manufacture these tanks. These are plastic modified tanks that you cannot find anywhere else. They are into 1,000 liters up to 10,000 liter tanks. They are supplied all over Malawi, all the outlets that you can get in Malawi. In Macsteel, we can also supply and fix the fencing materials. We have the superior fencing type, which is a clear defense. It's 3.5 millimeter thickness. We have the rubberized and we also have the galvanized. This helps us. This helps you because this is a system of, it's a security of device. It has the most superior security patterns on this type of fence. The clear. It's an anti-climb material. It's CCTV organized. It's supplied only at Macsteel. Macsteel provides Malawi with the superior quality products that will be there for a lifetime, products that will be there to preserve your environment. We have the eco tile that we have just rolled out. It's more or less like we are trying to get away with the pallets that were clay made. Now this is a plastic made eco tile. It's environmental friendly. You can put it on top of an iron sheet. It's a thing that will protect your iron sheets. It looks beautiful. Come to Macsteel and you have a look and appreciate. It's something that when you put it on top of it, it's long lasting and then it brings out the required things that you want. Why? What challenges are we facing? The most challenges that we are facing is a lot of people are not aware of what is quality. What do you need to put on the end? When you see, you don't understand the thicknesses, the difference between the gauge and the thickness of the iron sheets. You don't know the difference between the two. Now it's a challenge because people need to be aware that these sheets are not supposed to be put on this type of beading. These are not to be on this type of beading. Now, when you come to Macsteel, we advise you promptly of the thickness of the type of iron sheet you're using, or this thing has to be used on this brick force, type of brick force that you have. We sell a brick force that is topmost, that has vertical and horizontal thicknesses that are the same. Now, the challenges that we are facing now is that we are not competing with the same. There is a lot of substandard materials on the market. We like the regulators, the National Construction Council, to look at the manufacturers and have a look at the quality. They need to look at what quality is it on the market. As of the Forex problem, it's also having a problem which we can get. But right now we are looking for alternatives. We should use the things that we are already in the country, the resources that we can find. And a good example is the tanks, the manufacturing of the tanks. The tanks need to be using the plastics. We're trying to mobilize the plastics that are already in Malawi to be using those and recycle those and then come up with the tanks that will have the best quality on the market. We've come here to sponsor this prestigious events of the National Construction-International Conference because we believe in our regulator. We believe National Construction Council has the power of the industry. It can bring out all the contractors in one place and then we can showcase what our products will do. Because if the contractors can understand what Macsteel does, then the whole industry and the whole nation and everyone will be able to buy good quality products. Thank you very much.